Hi there, welcome to video 2, the line tool. I'm going to start with basics and just take a bit of time. We'll speed up as we go through the videos. As you'll see, I'm picking the line tool from the toolbar here. It's the pencil. It means you can draw lines. Just click on it. When you move your cursor down into the page, you'll see the cursor looks like a pencil. So we know we're in line tool mode. I'm going to go to where the green, the red and the blue lines all meet in the middle. We call it the origin. As soon as I get my cursor just close to it, that yellow dot appears, which snaps me to the center. So I know I'm spot on that center. I'm just going to click my left mouse button and let go. I then can drag my mouse out in any direction I fancy, as far as I fancy. So up to me how long I draw this line. But if I get close to the red, green or blue lines, it will snap for me. And it gives a message that says on red axis, on green axis, on blue axis. Buildings are usually square, so it's good to stick on the axis. So I'm going to come down to on red axis. Now how long do I want to make the line? Down in the bottom right you'll see it says length. Now I don't need to click anywhere else, I'm just going to type. If I type 2000 and hit the enter key, there's my line. 2000 millimeters, 2 meters long along the red axis. And it starts drawing me a new line from the end of my old line, so I know the joint. And again, if I move close to square, I can go in directional light, but if I move close to square, the line turns green. That tells me I'm on the green axis or parallel with it. Again, I'll just type the figure that I want for the distance. No need to click anywhere, just type the figure. I'm going to go for 4 meters, 4,000. It might not look square, but it is, because it's on the green axis. Again, it's ready to draw me a new line from the end of the old line. If I want it out, I'd hit the escape key, but I want to carry on. So if I go to the left, you'll see if it snaps to red, it's on red axis. I can just type the figure of 2000, which I know is the distance I came out. So I'm going to make a rectangle, hit the enter key, and again, ready to draw a new line. In this case, I just need to go back to the origin. If I get close to that point, we see the little blob. It's green, this point, 'cause it's end point. All I need to do is just click my mouse there with the left button, and it'll make the final side to make my rectangle. As soon as I do that, the rectangle goes grey. It's filled in, it's a surface. Now, it may not look square, but we can prove it is. We can go to camera, standard views top, perfectly square. Another key that's really worth knowing when you do this kind of work is the Control Z key. This is undo. You can do Control Z as many times as you like to undo all your actions, usually when you've made a mistake. But for now, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. It undoes everything I've done. So that's the basic line tool, and it really is that simple. So thanks for listening. I'll see you in the next video.